go mag-hi sa ating mga nakapanood ng first and pilot episode ng The Alibi. Okay.
Maybe starting from Robbie? That side, please.
Hello po, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Robbie. I play Edward Cabrera. Salamat, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyong lahat dito. It was such an honor for me to be a part of this teleserye. It's my first acting experience and I couldn't ask for any more. So it's been such a blessing to be a part of this cast, a part of this crew, to learn under these wonderful directors and writers under Dreamscape. And yeah, I hope you guys continue to watch the show kasi madami pong pasabog tong teleseryeng ito. Thank you.
Please pass the mic. Thank you.
Hello po everyone, I'm Angelina Cruz as Catherine Rose Morales, kapatid po ni Ate Kim Chu. Salamat po sa pagpunta dito. Sana na-enjoy nyo and I'm excited for you guys to see what comes out next.
Ako po si Romnick Sarmenta sa papel na Andres Bonifacio. Hindi, Andres Tolentino. Inspector Andres Tolentino. Again, I'm just blessed to be part of this project. Side note, I'm working with second generation of people I used to work with. I used to work with her mom and his mom. And it's just fun seeing them at work also. And again, sila for the second time also. And sila Direk Leonard. It's just a great blessing to be around creative people. So thank you for staying, and I hope you continue to support the project.
Sophia?
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. At salamat po sa pag-join sa amin tonight. And syempre nagpapasalamat po ako sa Dreamscape, sa ABS-CBN Point Prime, that I get to work with people I really look up to. I'm just so lucky na I'm so considered as a contributor. Syempre, ang lalaking artista ng mga kasama ko, so parang the pressure is real. But I was able to learn from them, and I'm just so proud to be part of something big. Yeah.
Sam. Sorry, getting to see her. I was like, hi everyone. Sorry. Thank you guys all for coming. It's such a blessing to be a part of this amazing project. As you can see, the first episode pa lang, grabe yung impact, and even though my role here is a bit short-lived, I'm still present somehow in this series, and my role plays such a pivotal, yes, it's very pivotal in this cuento. So I'm very blessed to be part of this.
Hi everyone, I'm Rafael Rosel. Sinang Matthew Cabrera. Just super thankful and grateful to Dreamscape and ABS-CBN, of course Prime Video, for being given this opportunity. What you saw today is just the tip of the iceberg. It goes way deeper, and sobrang excited kaming lahat na mapanood nyo yung totality ng show. As in, kami nga rin sa set when we read the script, we're like, inaabangan namin yung susunod na mangyayari. As in, sobrang excited. So, thank you so much to everyone for being here, and enjoy the rest of the show when it comes out on Prime.
Sasha Padilla as Jacqueline Cabrera. Hi! Thank you all very much for being here. Ang dami-dami ko nang nasalihan na teleserye, pero nung napanood ko ito, sabi ko, sobra, kakaiba siya. At yung character development ng bawat isa, abangan nyo yan. Kasi wala pa kayo masyadong nakikita, parang patikim pa lang. Napakarami pa pong mangyayari. So sana kapitan nyo talaga yung aming teleserye. Napakaganda. At proud na proud ako na makatrabaho lahat. At even at my kahit matagal na ako sa showbiz, ang dami ko pa pong natututunan sa aking mga kasamahan. At ito, one of my favorite partners now, napakahusay niya, Johnny. Inintroduce na kita Johnny Celia.
Akin na lang itong mic na, kasi may po ako, walang natutuwa. Anyway, I'm sorry. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. And, well, nakita niyo naman siguro, I am so proud to be part of this cast kasi sobrang nailab ako sa lahat, sa buong cast. Especially sa Kimbao. No, sila, sila yung isa sa pinaka down-to-earth na stars na makakatrabaho sa And, yeah. Naku po kami magalit po sa akin. Ano lang po to nailab ako kay Jaja Padilla. I mean, isa sa... Conrad. As a character, yes. Kasi sobrang... Jaja Padilla is not just the... hindi lang siya yung divine diva ng music industry, pero she's one of the best actresses we have in entertainment industry. So talagang sobrang para sa akin kasi dream come true yun, nakapartner ko ng mahaba si Jaja. So sobrang proud ako na naging part ako nitong para naman ngayon na ako gumawa ng teleserye, pero kakaiba kasi talaga yung energy namin. So umpisa makita mo lang kami sa on camera na mukha kaming dysfunctional, pero kitang-kita ko, damang-dama ko yung connection ng bawat isa pagdating sa behind the scenes. So, thank you po. Thank you po for coming in. Bantayan niyo po sa November 7.
Hello, good afternoon po. Ay, salamat po sa mga nanood ng The Alibi pilot ngayon. So, lahat po nung napanood nyo ngayong episode na to, bantayan nyo po sila. Kasi habang tumatakbo po yung kwento, it will all make sense. So, thank you po.
Thank you. Alright. Direk?
As myself on a bit.
Kim Pao na.
Kim Pao. Alright, Kim and Pao?
Muling magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta ninyo. At sana na-enjoy niyo yung first episode namin. Tulad ng sabi nila, patikim pa lang ito. Wala pa masyadong nai-introduce at hindi pa fully or lubusan pinapakilala yung characters ng bawat artista dito. Pero I'm sure pag nasundan nyo to ng mangilang-ilang episodes pa, talagang hindi nyo na mabibitawan kada character dahil special talaga ang binibigay ng bawat artista para sa mga role nila. So again, salamat. Maraming salamat. Si Kim Chiu.
Hello po. Umuwi na po si Kim Chiu. Si Stella po ito. Stella sa umaga, alegria sa gabi. Maraming salamat po sa nag-enjoy ba kayo? Nabitin po ba kayo? Yes, download the Prime app, 149 pesos lang. Nagbenta! So yun po, every Friday, 2 episodes. Yun lang. Hindi ko na ipapaliwanag yung character ko, parang nakita nyo na ata lahat. No? Oo,
para sa Team Live. Para
sa Team Live, yes. Sabi nga, I gave my all. Sana kayo din. Sana mas madami ang makakita ng masterpiece na ito dahil group effort po talaga ito. Simula po sa mga nagsulat, nagdirect, umarte, nag-ilaw, nag-camera, nag-art them and everything. This is a masterpiece po talaga dahil hindi po madaling gumawa ng ganitong klaseng drama na suspense, thrill, romance, drama. Kompletos recados po kami, kaya I'm very proud to be part of this big project. Thank you.
Once again, the cast of The Alibi. Hi.
Oh, Mix, it's amazing in this VideoCon. All those watching online, sana spread you how the chemistry. Ngayon pa lang, we can tell that this is a great show. How they support each other, how they lift each other up. Diba, yung mga haligi ng ating industriya naririto sa ating harapan ngayong gabi. At from the making to their statements, ba't kayo natatawa? You're not thinking. Totoo naman, diba?
Super haligi,
Oo, and compliment yon. But anyway, let's proceed to the questions that we had from our friends from the press. First up, we have a question from Bandera and Bulgar from Reggie Bonoan. Ang tanong ay para kay Kim. At ang tanong ay,